Will you help me to wire a potentiometer to my robot? I am Carlotta A, and I'm an award-winning engineering educator and robotics engineer, controls engineer, and this is Human Type Engineering 101, and this is week 9, lecture 7, I think. And we're going to wire the potentiometer to our robot. So the first thing we want to do is make sure each of those 3 legs is on a different row. And now you use the potentiometer to make a voltage divider. The way that we do that is we put one leg on one side to voltage. Then we put one leg on the other side to ground. And then we're going to tap off of the middle and connect the middle to an analog input, which is going to be A2 on our Arduino Uno. All right, so the first thing I'm doing is I am connecting one side to voltage. That's that red wire, and I'm going to use a gray wire that's going to be connected to ground. Remember, once again, I am currently traveling, but I did want to get all the electronics lectures done, so I actually took my robot through TSA, and believe it or not, they didn't stop me. But it was really important that I get this done so that week 10, we can get all of the programming done, the robot behaviors done, and then we are actually done with Human Type Engineering 101. Remember what my goal was. My goal was to totally finish this class by the time I finish my school year. And I am in week 10 of my school year. Next week is finals week. So my goal is to do all of the coding with you all during finals week so that by the time commencement gets around, which is that Saturday after Memorial Day, May 31st, you guys graduate from Human Type Engineering 101 at the same time as my students graduate from my actual school. So while I was talking to you, I went ahead and I put the outer wire red to voltage, the inner wire gray to ground, and now I need to get one more wire that is going to go to A2. And finally the yellow wire. So I tap that yellow wire off of the middle and I take it to A2 on the Arduino Uno. And with that, my potentiometer is connected. Let's review again. Motor controller, LEDs, potentiometer, buzzer, button, photoresistor. Our final item is what? It's for obstacle avoidance. It's for detecting distance. You're right. The sonar is coming up next. Stay STEM-tastic.